Good morning to everyone. This is the sum we will be doing in today's lecture. In front of your screen, P, Q, and R are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1 after allowing interest on capital at 9% per annum. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2012 is as follows. So there are three partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1 and their balance sheet is given below. Capital account PQR 50,000, 30,000, 20,000. They have reserve fund which has to be divided as per their profit sharing ratio because the business has to be closed now. This partnership business has to be closed. There is only one external liability creditor. In the asset side, plant and machinery, fixtures, stock, and debtors are there. They applied for conversion of the firm into a private limited company named PQR Private Limited. So there was a conversion of the partnership firm into a private limited company and the name of the company will be PQR Private Limited and the certificate was received on 1/4/2012. The goodwill was valued at rupees 36,000. It was agreed that rest of the assets are valued on the basis of the balance sheet. So goodwill का नया value दिया है 36,000 and they have told that it was agreed that rest of the assets are valued on the basis of the balance sheet as on 31st March 2012. That means this balance sheet के हिसाब से बाकी assets को value करना है balance sheet value में, book value में, but except plant and machinery which was valued at 1,02,000. So only there is a new value for plant and machinery 1,02,000 instead of the old value. We will be taking the new value. The purchase consideration was satisfied by issue of 9% preference shares. So how was the PC settled? The purchase consideration was satisfied by issue of 9% preference shares of rupees 5,000 each to P and R. So purchase consideration, they have already mentioned that it will be satisfied by issue of 9% preference share and that 9% preference share of rupees 5,000 each will be issued to partner P and R. So 5,000 purchase consideration. So total two partners are there. Both of them will get 5,000 each. So it will be 10,000 and it will be given to partner P and partner R. So only two of the partners will be getting this preference shares of 5,000 each, 5,000 into 2 for two partners. It will be preference shares of 10,000 and balance purchase consideration was satisfied by issue of equity shares in the profit sharing ratio. So balance of the purchase consideration, ये net payment method नहीं हो सकता because see, neither it is lump sum method. In the lump sum method, the value of PC is directly given in the question. In payment method, which partner will get how much shares, cash, everything will be given in detail, but here they have told, they have not clearly given how much equity shares has to be distributed among the partners. So that is balance of purchase consideration and how much is that balance we'll have to find out. So the third method, that is net asset method, because the revised value of assets is given, so we will be following the third method to calculate PC, that is purchase purchase consideration by net asset method, and the equity shares has to be divided among the profit sharing ratio of the partners. You are required to prepare the balance sheet of the company as on 1/4/2012, partners capital account, realization account, statement showing the final this settlement between the partners, statement showing how the PC settle between the partners, and the calculation of PC, which is mandatory because any sum of conversion, the first step will be to calculate the PC. So let us start the solution. Calculation of PC, purchase consideration. And we will, this is by net asset method, because what is not given, PC directly not given, then it would have been lump sum method. And also the payment is not clearly given who will get how much equity share in balance bola, but how much is the balance, how to find out that we will find out by net asset method. We will calculate our PC by net asset method. So let us calculate the PC. Particulars and amount or rupees. First one, all assets taken over by the company in revised or book value. You may also say agreed value. So for that, we will be taking all the assets because सबका बोला है कि बुक वैल्यू में लो एक्सेप्ट प्लांट एंड मशीनरी का नया वैल्यू दिया है. प्लांट एंड मशीनरी का नया वैल्यू दिया है. So other three assets, it will be the balance sheet value. They see except plant and machinery, which was taken for, which was valued at 1,02,000. Rest all assets will be taken at balance sheet value. So they have said goodwill ka, they have given the value, and it was agreed that the rest of the assets are valued on the basis of the balance sheet as on 31st March 2012, except plant and machinery, which was valued at 1,02,000. So we will also write goodwill, whose value is given. Goodwill was valued at 36,000. So we will take the value 36,000. Now total we'll have to take from this less B all external liabilities taken over by the company in revised or book value. Which liability we have? Capital, separate partners capital account will be prepared. Reserve fund, partners will be distributed. The reserve fund will be distributed among the partners. Then we have only creditor, new value is not given. So we'll take the old value. Creditors 48,000. So total of B will be 48,000. How much is the total of A? How much is the total of A? How much is the total of all the assets? 1,02,000, 20,000, 50,000, 30 and 36. It is 2,38,000. Now minus 48,000. What will be the PC? That is purchase consideration. It will be 1A minus B, 1,90,000. We got the amount of PC. Now our next step will be discharge of PC. So they have told preference share 5,000 each to PNR in 9% preference shares. How much it is? 5,000 into two partners. 5,000 into 2 because two partners P and R will be given 5,000 each. So it will be 10,000 in equity shares is the balance. We don't know this, but we know the purchase consideration. Purchase consideration is 1,90,000. So equity share, which has to be divided among the profit sharing ratio of the partners, so is 1,80,000. They have given clearly here that purchase consideration was satisfied by issue of 9% preference shares of rupees 5,000 each to P and R. Means we will be paying 5,000 each preference share to P and R, means 5,000 to P, 5,000 to R. So total preference share will be 10,000, and balance purchase consideration was satisfied by issue of equity shares in profit sharing ratio. So balance purchase consideration 1,90,000 minus 10,000 will be 1,80,000 in equity shares. Now they have asked us to prepare realization account and partners capital account. So our first step will be to various assets. So we will take on the assets, we will take the balance sheet values. And we will take their balance sheet values. Balance sheet values. Now we will write by various external liabilities. So in external liabilities, apart from we have partners capital, which is not an external liability. We have reserve fund, which will be divided among the partners. So only one external liability, creditors, that we have already written here, 48,000. If you want, we can cross check also. Creditors 48,000. Now let us write the amount of partners capital by balance brought down. How much it is? Partners capital 50, 30, 20 and 60,000 has to be divided. 50, 30, 20. 50,000, 30,000 and 20,000, and reserve fund has to be divided. Reserve fund will go to the partners. So divide it among the ratio 60,000 ko. Kya ratio? What is the ratio of the partners? 3:2:1. So divide reserve fund into 3 in the ratio. So here, let us show here only. Working note. Reserve fund. How much it is? 60,000, and ratio of partners is P, Q, R. It is 3:2:1. So divide it. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. For who? This is for P. And this will be how much? 30,000. Q 60,000 into 2 divided by 6 will give us 20,000. Then we have R 60,000 into 1 divided by 6, which will give us 10,000. So let us write down 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. Now we have not recorded the PC. PC record नहीं किया है by name of the new limited company PQR Private Limited PC due. They have not asked this question. They have not asked this account. PQR Limited account नहीं पूछा है. तो हम लोग directly we can write how much is the amount of PC. 1,90,000. Have they asked us to prepare the PQR Limited account, PQR Private Limited account? No, it is not us. If you want, you can prepare. तो PQR Limited में आ जाएगा. Either by PQR, in the PQR Limited, it will come to realization and it will be discharged as by preference shares 10,000, equity shares 1,80,000 and वो 1,90,000 account tally हो जाएगा. So हम दूसरा effect नहीं दे सकते because we are not preparing the another account. We are not preparing PQR Private Limited account in this sum due to time constraints and not also because they have not asked to prepare. They have not asked to prepare. So this is done. Now, is there any asset not taken over by the new private limited company? All the assets are there in the PC. All the assets are taken. All the liability, that is only one liability, is their external liability creditor, that is also taken. So we can close this realization account and find out the profit. We can close the realization account and find out the profit. 2,38,000. 2,38,000. How much is the profit which will go to the partners? How much is the profit? It is 2,08,000. All the four total is 2,08,000. So whatever is the difference, that will go to the partners capital account. It is profit. How much is the amount of profit? It is 30,000. Everyone getting this amount of profit? 30,000 has to be divided among P, Q and R. Profit sharing ratio 30,000 into 3 divided by 6. 30,000 into 2 divided by 6. 30,000 into 1 divided by 6. So how much we are getting? Here we will get 15,000. Here we will get 10,000. Here we will get 5,000. इसका दूसरा इफेक्ट के लिए हम पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट बना रहे हैं बाय रियलाइजेशन. How much it is? 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. This is done. Now let us close this account. 50, 30, 15 is 95,000. 30, 20, 10 is 60,000. 20, 10, 5 is 35,000. So same amount will come on the other side. So now this will be settled. How is the PC settled? equity shares in PQR Private Limited and to 9% preference shares in PQR Private Limited. So this way this will be divided. And do we know PC कैसे देने वाले हैं? It is given that purchase consideration was satisfied by issue of 9% preference shares of 5,000 each to P and R. P and R को क्या देखो यहाँ पे we are having statement showing the final settlement between the partners. So how they will get? First one, in 9% preference shares. 9% preference shares. So P को they are giving 5,000 का preference share and R को they are giving 5,000 का preference share. In the question directly they have told purchase consideration was satisfied by issue of 9% preference share of rupees 5,000 each to P and R. So P and R को 5,000 दिया. So it will be 10,000. And then after this, equity share also is there. In equity shares, so equity shares जो है, that balance purchase consideration was satisfied by issue of equity share in the profit sharing ratio. So now we know how much is the total equity share. This 1,80,000. So ये 1,80,000 को कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे? डिवाइड द इक्विटी शेयर्स इन द प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो 3:2:1. सो P के लिए 1 लाख, or if you want I can write here of rupees 1,80,000. ये हमने पीसी सेटलमेंट में फाइंड आउट किया. 1,90,000 का पीसी है, 10,000 प्रेफरेंस शेयर है, तो बैलेंस 1,80,000 इज इक्विटी शेयर. 3/6 यू का 1,80,000 इंटू 2/6 आर का 1,80,000 into 1/6. How much it is coming? How much we are getting? 3/6. 3/6. How much is it coming? 1,80,000. Find out and give the answer. 1,80,000 into 3/6, we are getting 90,000. See whether you are getting the same answer. 60,000 and 30,000. So we will write down which partner is getting how much. 90,000, 60,000 and 30,000. Total will be 1,80,000, which is the total PC. 1,90,000. So here we can write, we know the final distribution. Equity share का 90,000. Here 60,000. Here 30,000. Same way preference share R को है, sorry P को है 5,000. Q को it is preference share is nil because only P and R को देने बोला है 5,000 each. So with this we can see that our Partners capital account has also tallied. We can see our partners capital account has tallied. Now what is remaining? They have asked balance sheet also. They have asked balance sheet also after conversion. They've asked the balance sheet of the PQR Private Limited as on, they have given the date 1/4/2012. See, they have given the date कि कभी conversion हुआ, the certificate was received. कभी the conversion of the firm into a private limited company named PQR Private Limited, certificate was received on 1/4/2012. So now what is remaining is balance sheet. Now balance sheet as we have to prepare in the company's form. So first we call our balance sheet equity liability side को बोलते हैं equities and liabilities. हमारे liability side को बोलते हैं equities and liabilities, जिसमें equity मतलब होता है shareholders fund. Equity means shareholders fund. शेयर होल्डर फंड में आता है शेयर होल्डर का फंड क्या, वो इन व्हाट, शेयर होल्डर का राइट किस पे, शेयर होल्डर का फंड मीन्स शेयर होल्डर का राइट किस पे है, उसके कैपिटल पे एंड कंपनी के रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस में. सो फॉर शेयर कैपिटल let us prepare the first note, notes to account 1. That is what we will prepare, share capital का note, and इस पे what we will do, हमारे पास क्या है, equity share capital है, how much, 1,80,000, and हमारे पास 9% प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल है, प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी है, 10,000 का प्रेफरेंस शेयर है, टोटल इज कमिंग टू 1,90,000. यू कैन सी हियर आल्सो टोटल प्रेफरेंस शेयर 10,000, इक्विटी शेयर 1,80,000, so total is 1,90,000. so it is how much, 1,90,000. रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस कुछ भी नहीं है, बिकॉज कंपनी जब स्टार्ट हुआ तो क्या लेके स्टार्ट हुआ, पीसी में देखो ऑल द असेट्स एंड एक्सटर्नल लाइबिलिटी, एंड ऑल द असेट में वी आर हैविंग गुडविल, या तो गुडविल होता है या तो कैपिटल रिजर्व होता है या तो दोनों नहीं होता है, बट गुडविल ऑलरेडी दे दिया है. But that means जब बिजनेस को परचेज किया गया, that time extra money is being given when assets have been taken and liability have been discharged. तो एक्स्ट्रा जो पीसी है उसमें एक्स्ट्रा पैसा दिया गया है गुडविल के लिए, तो रिजर्व होने का सवाल ही नहीं. अगर सी देखो ये चैप्टर में अगर रिजर्व होगा तो इट विल बी ओनली वन रिजर्व, दैट इज कैपिटल रिजर्व. सो दैट इज नॉट देयर, सो इट इज नील. ये क्वेश्चन, देन वी हैव अवर लाइबिलिटीज. लाइबिलिटीज मींस नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी एंड करंट लाइबिलिटीज. लाइबिलिटीज मींस नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी मतलब लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग्स, मतलब liability which is there for a period, long period of time. So non-current liability means long-term borrowings. See in the PC हमने सिर्फ preference share and equity share दिया है. We have not given any debentures, means company private limited जो है PQR, the name is PQR. So PQR limited ने क्या किया है, they have only given preference share and equity share, there is no debentures also. देखो अपना पीसी देखो, purchase consideration कौन सा लाइबिलिटी है? ओनली शॉर्ट टर्म लाइबिलिटी है, डिबेंचर्स. देयर इज नो बैंक लोन, देयर इज नो अदर लॉन्ग टर्म लोन. सो यहाँ पे व्हाट वी विल डू इन द बैलेंस शीट, लॉन्ग टर्म कोई डिबेंचर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, तो दिस इज ऑल्सो नील. नाउ लास्ट हमारा जो लाइबिलिटी है कैटेगरी, इट इज करंट लाइबिलिटी. इट इज करंट लाइबिलिटीज. करंट लाइबिलिटीज में हमें क्रेडिटर्स है सिर्फ. अभी भी सौ क्रेडिटर्स को हम ट्रेड पेबल्स बोलते हैं. सी इन द क्वेश्चन, पीसी में हमारे पास कौन सा लाइबिलिटी है विच द प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी हैज टेकन ओवर. Assets also it has taken over and liability also it has taken over. It is creditor worth 48,000. Creditor take over किया और उसका value है 48,000. So with this ये total आ जाएगा liability का total. Now our Roman 2, that is assets. Asset also we have two types, non-current asset and current asset. Non-current asset में हम लिखते हैं property, land and equipment. Property, plant and equipment. What do we write? Property, plant and equipment. So yeah, तो property, plant, equipment. Now this, in this we write tangible assets and intangible assets. So here पीसी में देखो हमारे पास कौन सा tangible assets है. हमारे पास प्लांट एंड मशीनरी है एंड फिक्सचर है. बोथ आर tangible assets. Do we have any intangible assets which the private company has taken over? Yes, intangible asset में सिर्फ goodwill है 36,000 and tangible में plant and machinery 1,02,000, fixture 20,000. So let us go to the balance sheet. यहाँ पे let us write goodwill. एक ही है goodwill 36,000 and here I will write 2 notes to account 2. So notes to account 2 में we want to write tangible assets. इसमें हमारे पास है plant and machinery 1,02,000 and we have fixtures. We have fixtures which is 20,000. तो दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो it will be 1,22,000. So we will write here 1,22,000. ये हो गया. Now we have current assets. करंट असेट्स में स्टॉक को हम बोलते हैं इन्वेंट्रीज एंड डेटर बिल रिसीवेबल को बोलते हैं ट्रेड रिसीवेबल. क्रेडिटर बिल पेएबल को ट्रेड पेएबल. अगर कोई बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट या कोई शॉर्ट टर्म बोरोइंग होगा तो वी विल कॉल इट शॉर्ट टर्म बोरोइंग फॉर बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. बट ये सब में कैश के बारे में कुछ है ही नहीं. इवन जो हमने असेट्स लिया टेक ओवर किया उसमें भी देयर वाज नो कैश बैलेंस इन द क्वेश्चन. सो स्टॉक का वैल्यू है 50,000, डेटर का वैल्यू है 30,000. सो लेट अस राइट डाउन stock is how much? Stock is 50,000 na? Stock is 50,000 given in the question. Debtors is 30,000 given in the question. Now total. See how much total is coming of the balance sheet. 1,22,000, 36,000, 50,000 and 30,000. It is coming to how much? 2,38,000. 2,38,000. See whether our balance sheet is tally with 2,38,000. With this sum is done. Thank you very much, everyone.